Assalamu alaikum. Today we are heading to Swat's latest tourist attraction, Gabin Jabba. The key to traveling is that one should enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Right now we are passing through Shahid Coach Terminal. The Swat River accompanies us along our way. You might be able to see a lot of tourists in the Swat River. We went to this amusement park as well, and we'll show it to you later. We also stayed in this hotel and we'll show it to you later. We took a short lunch break for some traditional lunch. The drive itself to Gabin Jabba is very enjoyable.
Nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
The route becomes greener and the weather gets colder as you go nearer to Gabin Jabba.
But we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
This is a small mosque under construction in the middle of the trees, which is quite common in Swat.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I want
We have finally arrived at Gabin Jabba base point. And as you can see, the road is under construction, so we'll have to walk from here. We met Mr. Shireen Zada on our way, a very humble and modest personality like most people from Swat. Shireen Zada is a reporter for Hum TV and covers Swat. He guided us about new tourist spots and encouraged us to explore Swat further.
वापसी का भी यही रास्ता है। वापसी में सड़क ठीक है क्योंकि तो आसान ही है और पीछे ही आना है।
And boy was I wrong. The trek was anything but easy.
अभी कितना रास्ता रह गया है यहाँ से?
अभी तो तकरीबन 1 घंटे का होगा, लेकिन उधर से गाड़ी में जाएंगे वो।
This is my friend and host for Gabin Jabba, Hamid Khan. The link to his YouTube channel will be in the description.
ये अभी तक हम टॉप पे नहीं पहुँचे हैं। टॉप का अभी काफ़ी रास्ता है और हालांकि हम शॉर्टकट से आए हैं। यहाँ से आगे कुछ कच्चा रास्ता शुरू है, यहाँ से ये 4x4 ये जाती है। लेकिन मैं एडवाइस ही करूँगा अगर आप फैमिली के साथ आ रहे हैं तो आप ट्रैक करें। 4x4 गाड़ी नीचे से चलती हैं, उसी में चले जाएँ। ये फैमिली के लिए खासकर बच्चे आ गए तो बहुत मुश्किल है। हमारे साथ तो गाइड थे जिन्होंने उठाया होता सामान भी।
Although we are very tired, but we're still a long way from the top. In case you're wondering, the noise is coming from this cotton candy machine. From here we decided to go up in an open 4x4 Suzuki. These are the sights that everyone comes here to see. As you can see, the path is very rough even for a standard 4x4. We have finally arrived at the Gabin Jabba camping site. This is the end of part 1. Inshallah, the rest will be continued in part 2. See you again soon. Bye.